300 a month, not including utilities. And there's a playground half block away.
Take it. Good. Go to my office for some paperwork. I'll need to contact your employer.
Actually, I'm not working right now.
Of course. Then your husband's employer?
No, just the two of us.
How do you intend to pay rent?
Actually, I'm on assistance, and I'll be looking for a job shortly.
Sorry, no, we don't take rent from
people on housing benefits. Yes, I know, believe me, I know. I've looked at 5 places today and they've all said the same thing, but I'm desperate here. I need to find a home for my daughter. I will do anything to provide a home for my daughter. And it's as if being on assistance makes me less of a human being, but I'm not. I'm not a bad person. I'm a mother trying to provide for my child. And I just need someone to give me a chance. So if you let me this flat, I promise you I will never be late with my rent. I will never complain about anything. I won't even ask you to do any repairs. I will be the best tenant.
All right. All right, you can have the flat.
Really?
Eh? No woman who cares for her child that much can be a risk.
Thank you. Oh my gosh, Nate, you're so sorry.
Oh, sorry.
No. Did you hear that?
I'll do my office.
Okay. We got home. Do you like it?